Another load of tatties away. Already been in for some other rides as well. Nishi, how's your polytunnel?
Good.
Where's the strawberries?
Strawberries?
Yeah, have you eaten
ate
them? Have you? Were they good?
Yeah.
Here, look.
Mishi's away to look at his peas.
It's not ready yet, but do you see it?
Pussy, do you want peas? No.
It's not ready yet, but do you see
want
it?
Tight. Oh, aye. Oh, I'll run slowly down there.
That's how a professional does it, ladies and gentlemen.
Do you know what we're doing, Rossi? Mishi knows what we're doing.
Do you want me to tell you, Rossi?
And just like that, the last load of cattle feeds away. That is 2025 that are finished. Job done.
I mean, I'm getting sprayed a bit.
Well, just finished one field, waiting on the next, and it's come on heavy rain, so we're going to have to stop with that.